Today, we are going to talk about one of the greatest mysteries in the history of ancient Egypt, Tutankhamun, a name the world knows as the Golden King. He was a young pharaoh whose tomb was discovered in 1922 by British archaeologist Howard Carter, and this discovery proved to be a historic revolution for the entire world. Tutankhamun was a pharaoh of Egypt's 18th dynasty, ruling from approximately 1333 BCE to 1324 BCE. He became king at a very young age, and during his reign, he attempted to restore Egypt's traditional religion and art, which had been radically changed by his predecessor, Akhenaten. Originally, his name was Tutankhaten, which included the name of the sun deity Aten. Later, when he restored traditional Egyptian worship, he changed his name to Tutankhamun, which means the living image of Amun. In 1922, Howard Carter discovered Tutankhamun's tomb in the Valley of the Kings. This tomb, known as KV62, had remained hidden for nearly 3,300 years, and inside it were thousands of golden treasures, jewelry, and priceless ancient artifacts. The treasures included gold-beaded necklaces and ornaments, golden sandals, golden amulets and jewelry, the pharaoh's golden mummification mask, furniture and weapons specially crafted for the pharaoh. Tutankhamun's golden mask, which covered his face, is considered one of the most famous ancient artifacts in the world. The mask was made of pure gold, and its eyes were inlaid with obsidian and precious gemstones. Compared to other royal tombs, Tutankhamun's tomb was relatively small, yet incredibly rich in treasures, which is why this discovery is regarded as one of the greatest archaeological finds in history. Tutankhamun died at just 19 years of age. According to modern research, his death was most likely caused by a combination of malaria and genetic disorders, which severely weakened his health. The priceless artifacts recovered from his tomb are now displayed in major museums around the world, with many of them currently preserved in the Grand Egyptian Museum. A young pharaoh whose hidden tomb revealed the power, artistry, and mysteries of ancient Egypt. Although his reign was short, his discovery reignited the world's fascination with Egypt's deep and extraordinary past. Tutankhamun's name will forever live on in history,